Hey everyone, James Holst here with Norsk Lithium, and we're going to show you today a pretty cool rigging project. Norsk Lithium purchased a brand new Phoenix 819 Pro, and we rigged it up, of course, with all Norsk Lithium batteries. And instead of doing a 5 battery install, we're going to accomplish everything we need to do with 3 batteries. So here's what we're going to try to do. One 36 volt 60 amp hour battery, that's going to power the trolling motor on the front, and of course we've got that industry exclusive dual voltage option on our 36 volt battery. We use those 28 volt terminals to power our sonar module. That works super slick. And then the second battery back here behind me, that's the 16 volt battery. And that's the higher voltage battery that so many anglers are installing now to power their electronics. What you see here on the dash and what you see on the bow. And the reason people do that, of course, is to get that higher voltage to the screens. Your run times are a lot longer per amp hour. Everything runs more efficiently. And we did kind of a cool rig job off of that 16 volt battery. We have 2 main lines, one going to a regulator to power the Lowrances. The Lowrances don't like quite as much voltage. They kind of cap out at about 17 volts. And then we've got one uninterrupted line, one unregulated line going to the 2 12-inch Garmin Eco Maps on the front. So we'll show you some images of how we did that. It's really clean, it's really easy to do. And the reason that regulator is required for the Lowrance units is we have a DC to DC charger between the starting battery and that 16 volt. So that DC to DC charger allows us to run current from that starting battery over to the 16 volt, and I can control that with a really simple switch on the dash, or I can just use a switched power source. So anytime the outboard's running, that is running power to keep that 16 volt battery as charged up as possible. And then the final battery back there, that's that awesome 180 amp hour starting battery, Group 31 case. That's running everything else in the boat, all your 12 volt power demands, all your pumps, your lights, your switches, and then of course it's starting that Yamaha behind us. So for everybody out there that thinks, you can't use a lithium battery with a Yamaha, you can. You just have to use the right one. So we're out here today just making sure there's no bugs. And once I'm confident that we've got everything where it needs to be, we're gonna get this thing up on plane, maybe do some fishing.